So I made a 3D printer in Roblox Studio. Let me show you how I did it. So I made the 3D printer model first. Bruh. Anyways, I also made the 3 other models, as you can see. And if you take a look at the right side, I named them placements for a reason you'll see in a bit. Okay, now I move them into a folder to store them. Next is the scripting. I started off with the client module, because it was faster to do. To put it simply, it handles the button clicking and toggling of the GUI. Now the server. It's not as complicated as you think, I promise. Basically, it handles moving the printer hand and making the printer actually function. I got the design from a repair game I'm working on. I think I can clean it up a little more, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll be moving the steps into a different module, as well as adding pricing, just cause why not? Let me just speed this up. Alright, now to test it. Oh, all good, I just called the module wrong. Just to fix this real quick. Now it should work. Perfect, no errors. Lastly, the pricing. Basically, it's going to cost X amount to print. Make this module, now to speed up. Here I'm setting the prices of each thing. Now I'm going to get the cash or leader stats, and compare the cash value to the price of the item. Oops, I made a mistake. Basically, if the player has less cash, then the item cost of return and ends it. Now for the final product. Success! Now one final thing I forgot to mention. Make sure all the parts inside your model are invisible, so that way it actually looks like it's making it, and not just I don't know. Basically, it makes it look better in my opinion. One last test. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.